So we wanted to introduce our platform to the delegates today. I think what's interesting about us is that we are a multi-asset, multi-boutique asset management platform. We're quite unique in the sense that we're alternative focused and emerging markets focused. And there is obviously a lot of interest in emerging markets right now in terms of generating yields. So we were talking about what we believe to be interesting investment opportunities in emerging markets. Right now, India is sort of very topical for all investors, especially in the context of other emerging markets. So our focus was on India-specific strategies. We talked specifically about private debt strategies. We've been very active and we are very bullish on those strategies. So we are very keen to bring those strategies to investors in Europe. We also talked about our listed equity strategies, something that we have a great track record over the last few years, and that's the other strategy we wanted to discuss with investors. I think in general we've seen that investors across the board are sort of figuring out what's the best way to tackle emerging markets given the recent volatility. So clearly there was a lot of interest and engagement. I think both the speakers in our team felt that we were able to engage with the delegates. There was a definite interest in India because India's been a little bit of, I wouldn't say closed economy, but there hasn't been that sort of rampant investment that has happened in India over the last 2 decades. So there are always questions about, yes, there's great potential, but what is different now and how can we tackle it? So I think the responses that we got, clearly sort of, highlighted that or endorsed that. There were also a couple of questions on how that compares with China, and given what's happening with China, if that's going to result in an increased allocation to India, is India going to benefit, given that people are pulling out of China? So there were a few investors you could see were seasoned investors in emerging market space. So clearly we got some good relevant questions on our topics. I think the format per se is good. It's interesting. I think from a fund manager perspective, it makes a lot of sense to be able to sit across the table in in just smaller groups and talk about strategies. So I think it's fairly focused. I'm assuming even from a delegate perspective, it's quite intense and they get a chance to really interact and understand the fund manager. So I've personally interacted with German investors before. I've worked in London for about 10 years covering pretty much all of Europe, and Germany was one of the major markets for us. So familiar with the market. Having said that, I think what we also saw today were people who probably came from private banking side and were looking at specific investment products that were UCITS compliant for some of their clients. So I think that's a new sub-segment of the investor base. So I think it was interesting to interact with them. And I'm hoping that we can get some more details on what their concerns are, because some of the strategies we're talking about may not be that suitable to adapt to a UCITS platform, but would like to explore what are the other ways in which we can make, access this investor base.